Well, folks, it is a beautiful Monday, and I'm getting ready to take off for Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And I've been finishing up a few little things that I wanted to get all set up. And this is the frame now of the little 1916 REO. And I've made the new side panels that go on to fit around the engine compartment in here. So that's what these are for. I've got the final polishing to do, but I'll do that later. But I want everything to get really super hard. I'm going to show you the magic elixir that I'm using. Rust-Oleum. Best damn stuff in the world. Anyhow, this is what's happening with it. I've just finished putting on another coat, and I will continue to do that. And of course, we've got things going on with the Beast of Turin, the large, wonderful car that we're building now, La Bestione number 8. And I'm just getting ready to lock up all the garages and everything. I'm waiting for my house sitter to come in. He'll be in sometime, probably 5 o'clock. And so anyway, it should be fun. And I just wanted to let you all know that thank you for your very, very kind thoughts and words. They're wishing me luck and Godspeed, and I'm going to try to represent the United States as best I can. I will not be able to drink, which is very good. That doesn't hurt anything. And certainly no women. Maybe a goat or two, but that's about it. Anyway, want to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. I'll be back for that, and I hope, but we'll see. Anyway, thank you very much. And anyhow, back into the breach, my friends, back into the breach.